Bounce to bounce, position to be taken. Position taking. Advance. Advance. Rolling method to be advance. 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 Yes.
Thank you very much. Beautiful demonstration by Ebube Agu. And the last one was more.
See my watch, now what? 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 See my watch, now what?
And that is the law of the state on Ebube Agu, passed by the State House of Assembly. So let me say that what we have here is very lawful, and will continue to be for the benefit of our people. Let me say that Section 7, subsection 7 of the law says the function of Ebube Agu is to assist the police and other security agencies in carrying out any lawful activities that we assist in monitoring law and order in the state. All Section 7 and 8 of the law is dealing with assisting the police and other security agencies. So let me say that this is not an alternate police, but this is an outfit that is totally under the tutelage, supervision, monitoring, directives, and obedience to the police force.